Hello guys, welcome to this section. Now in this section I'm looking at scanning for signals. We've set our parameters, so we're looking at the 4 hours time frame. Let's look at who we can see opportunities in this market. And I'm seeing lots of them like that, so I'm going to just highlight them. Let me use blue as a color to highlight the signal so we can analyze them. You can just look through them, the one that has potential. As I'm seeing, there are lots that has potential in this market. So let me just pick them. I wanted to just pick two signals, probably to do a swing trade. But let's even just look at the possibilities of how we can pick both trade in this section. And that's what we do. We look at the scan the market, look at possible what opportunities in the market to just trade into. There are lots of them I'm seeing here. So guys, get ready. Example. Let me see, take more. Let me see, take more. There are lots. So, and what I'm seeing here is I'm seeing a pullback. If I'm to look at this, so far so good. Let's try and go through the ones we've picked. Now, the first here is, as you can see, this indicator is telling us sell, but there's other things I'm looking at. I've already filtered out most of all these things. So, in the course of my training, you might get to understand most of all these things I'm using. So, we're going to click on this. You see, click on spell. Let's open the chart. And one thing about the signals, we've done everything that has to do with helping you guys to scan for them. So they're just looking through each of them to look at the potential it has. So what we are seeing here is for dash is on 4 hours time frame. So now this is good. You realize the price has been doing what this is, what a low, high, higher, low, high, higher, low, high, higher, low, high. And getting here now, what are we seeing here? Price decided to change direction from here. So there are ways, a lot of ways into this. Price change direction from here and it what change the movement from what's lower high to what a lower low. As you can see, this is a lower low. So now let's plot our likely levels. Likely levels are levels price has touched that has the potential of doing what, bouncing off those zones. So that is where we always apply our DCA in this case. So now let's pick our Fibonacci tool, which is one of those tools that we use to analyze the market. So from a low to a high, so already is around our 618 level here and 50% level here. So for me, if I'll be entering this trade already, my order really has given me confirmation that it's already getting ready to reverse up. But if I want to be smart about this and to be risk conscious, I can decide to split my trade. I can decide to just pick the ones that has good potential out of it. So currently I'll just buy one of those assets at that price, pick again. So I'll set a pending order around this side, which is like a guide for my second buy. So my third buy finally is if price will break down to this level. This is my third buy. So as you can see, these are what dollar cost averaging method. So our target was 33, which should be around here. But we can even target 32 to be safer, because that 32 area is where we see our next resistance zone. So the profit return on investment of here is, if you have to measure here to here, is around what, 9%. It's not bad. But now in case price decide to go down to visit the next village, which is around here, and we still target the same to still give us like 50%. So that is for dash. We've done that, so let's just save it. So for record keeping, so that's the first we've considered. Now let's look at spell. Spell is always also another opportunity. As you can see, spell is also hanging on a strong support zone. So now see what happens. Once price drop, it gets a particular level where it do what, we go further up. So as what I'm seeing here is this is the next strong zone here. Just hold on. If I have to draw this, see likely zones here. So I always ensure I have three setups for each trade. So there's no point. Anything can happen in this market. So the worst case scenario that happens in the market is for us to just make money out of the markets. So if I'm buying, my first entry is here, my second entry is here, my third entry is here, and my target for this is where our resistance zone, which is around here. There's a strong resistance zone. You can see how easy it is to just look at the market and just plot your lines and set your trades. So from here to here gives us what? That's like 15% profit. That is number two, which is spell. Now look at ZEC. ZEC also have the same. So we realize that all of them tends to follow the same direction. So now you have to pick. You can see the price has been running and it has changed what direction. So they expect that price could still go further down. If price is going to go further down, to be more conservative, most people are not conservative. They just want to just take that and just everybody's interested in just making money, taking profit out of the market. So to me, I'm going to set my alarm here. So in case market triggers that, it will alert me. So now we've done how many? 1, 2, 3. So we've done dash, we've done spell, and we've done sec. Should we pick one more? Okay. Let's look at other options. Interesting. This MBL. You can see how easy it is to just scan the market. And the funniest thing is that the way I was able to do this is only scanning everything has to do with what the Binance Exchange market. So I'm always scared that wow, this is a no-go area already. So let me close that. It's not every asset to see much trade. So once you realize that has been falling, this goes for almost the same analysis like others. So let's check EPX. You see, EPS also the same thing. So now if I'm to pick anyone that has good chances, I'll look at the one that like Dash is strong, Dash has fallen. Now look at this other one, spell there, look at this other one, sec. So I believe these three are okay for this market. So in the course of the week, let's see how our trade will go. So we are sure of making 9% to about 15% from this trade. So thank you guys.